Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feeds on Galaxy A04s device. So just to do that, so now we can see that the Google Discovery is activated, and if you want to turn it off, just hold for a while the empty space on your home screen, then slide to the right side, and to turn off Google Discover, click once on the switcher. Now it's turned off, so let's go back and we can see that we just successfully turn it off. Just to turn it on by the same way, hold your home screen, switch to the right side, tap here on the switcher to activate it, and as you can see, that's all simple. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.